Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lexus LX versus G-Wagon. Watch closely as I break down handling, comfort, efficiency, and ownership costs so you can decide with confidence. I'll guide you through performance numbers, interior features, and common trade-offs in everyday use. Stay tuned for quick summaries and real-world examples that show how each SUV behaves on pavement, off-road, and in traffic to make your choice easier. Let's dive into performance aspects and what they mean for daily driving and weekend adventures. I'll describe acceleration feel, towing numbers, and how suspension tuning changes comfort versus control. We'll compare drivetrain layouts and off-road hardware so you know which handles rocks, sand, or snow better. Finally, I'll explain how fuel economy and service needs translate into practical ownership differences between these two heavy-duty luxury SUVs. If you're enjoying the comparison, please subscribe and like to support more videos like this. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that fit neatly in a Lexus or G-Wagon trunk and prevent spills on upholstery. They're perfect for long trips and tidy garages. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and grab a set if you want cleaner trips. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll examine interiors, features, and ownership realities in a friendly, straightforward way so you can picture daily life with either SUV. I'll cover seating comfort, infotainment ease, cargo versatility, and typical maintenance demands. Expect comparisons of warranty support, expected repairs, and insurance factors that influence long-term cost. By the end, you'll understand which cabin suits family life, which holds value better, and which feels right for your routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.